Hey folks, I'd like to do a song called Woman with a Chainsaw. It's a fun little song I heard in a tavern in the Pacific Northwest here somewhere many years ago. It's recorded, I believe, by a fellow by the name of Remy Rodden, and the original words and music were by Peter Krug. And I think he was a logger up in the Yukon or the Northwest Territory. Train. Almost have to do a train song next time. But anyway, know a couple Krugs and heard stories about some others, and this all sounds, sounds like a Krug song, but it's a fun song. It's everybody's song. So anyway, it's Woman with a Chainsaw. I do it like this. I woke up this morning frozen near death, sick all darn cold, couldn't get out of bed. As I lay there shivering, warm as could be, suddenly a revelation came to me. I need to find me a woman with a chainsaw, spend the winter with me. I need to find me a woman with a chainsaw, and all night long I'd stoke her fire. Yes, indeed. I put an ad about to go off, notice on the stump. I don't care if she's skinny, I don't care if she's plump. She can be pretty or ugly as sin. If she's got a chainsaw, she can move it. I need to find me a woman with a chainsaw, spend the winter with me. I want to find me a woman with a chainsaw, and all night long I'd stoke that fire. Yes, indeed. I've got a cabin in the mountains, pickup truck, a four-wheel drive that'll push through the muck. I got a solar panel kit off of Harbor Freight, but a dozen cords of firewood sure would be great. If I could find me a woman with a chainsaw, she can spend the winter with me. If I could find me a woman with a chainsaw, then all night long I'd stoke her fire. All night long it burned hotter and hotter. All night long I'd stoke that fire. Yes, indeed. I need to find me a woman with a chainsaw, and I'd stoke that fire. All night long, stoke that fire. All night long. Hey, thanks for listening, folks. Hit the like button, subscribe, notification bell, leave a comment, share, all of that stuff. It's all greatly appreciated. Thank you very much. Till next time.